everybody. What I'm going to do today is, it's going to be a surprise for you. It's going to be a surprise for me. Because I'm mixing ingredients I never did before. I'm using Glue All by Elmer's Glue. And with a little also Artist Loft White, Artist Loft, well, Acrylic Flow, black. Okay, Artist Flow black and white, same kind of container except black. And then I'm adding in each one also, this could be a surprise. This is, if you hear water running, my husband's in the shower. It's his birthday today. This is medium matte varnish, Liquitex Professional Varnish. That's included in the paint. I've never done any of this, so I've done always simple little things, okay? I'm going to be using white, black. This is DecoArt copper, okay? Metallic copper. This is a combination of red orange and red, magenta red. This is all Liquitex Basics. This is Naples Yellow, what the hell's it called? Let me see. Oh, the metallic, oh, I didn't get there yet. Naples Yellow hue, that's what that was. And then metallic Cobalt Blue by Artist Loft. I'll show you that one. That one's just gorgeous. And that's this one here. It's a little thick. I have to add some water. I might just add a little bit of this little mixture I have, which is water and Floetrol. Okay. I love this color, by the way. Love it, love it, love it. Anything to do with Cobalt Blue, I absolutely love. I'm going to use a 12 by 12 canvas. Still a little too thick. I don't want it running, but I don't want it this thick, okay? So I'm going to be putting it into a cup. I'm going to do a slip and slide. Big cup. Now I'll put this down so you can see what I'm doing. Alrighty, I'm good. I'm glad he stopped. Yay. Let me see. I have to move this over so you can see. I'm not adding anything on this canvas. I'm just going to do the flip. Matter of fact, I'm going to push you back here because I'm going to be a little further away. Maybe a little bit more over here. So let me see how this is. Yeah, I want you to see what I'm doing. Okay, I ordered, you'll be happy to know I ordered a amount that will be able to put you directly over what I'm doing. So that should hopefully be here tomorrow. I took advantage of Amazon days here for Prime. Okay, what I'm going to be doing first, I've got to put some little treadmill in here. This is by Spot On. It is what causes cells. I'm going to put a couple in the red, the Naples, Cobalt, yeah, a little bit with the white. Oops, too much in my black, but that's quite a fact. And I'm also going to put a little bit on the bottom of my cup. I should order some more of this from Amazon. Okay. This is so it helps come out of the cup. Alright, first thing I want to put in is black. And I'm not using a lot of the black because it's not my favorite color to put on a painting. But it does come out rather cool. Alrighty. Mix it around so it's flat there. Just a little bit more. I might just do 2 drops. Whoops. Okay. Then I want it to be a little bit of gray. So I'm going to put some of this white right on top. What I'm doing is, you can see I'm just doing the whole entire bottom of my cup. I'm not sliding it. I'm just dropping it on top. None of this pouring on the side of my cup. Then I'm going to do my Naples Yellow. That's just really too juicy, but we'll see what happens. I've never done this, so anything's possible. Got a lot of bubbles there. This is too, seems like it's too lumpy and thick, and I don't know what the heck's going on. I've never used glue before, so we shall see. Oh yeah, I had to use 4 ounces of glue oil. Can you imagine that? This is freaky. I'm going to put white on top. I'm going to slide it down here. This is going to come out really bizarre because it's not doing what I want it to do. But that's all right. It's really thick and lumpy and too heavy right now. And then some metallic, which I didn't add yet. Put that in there. And I'm going to end it with a little black. Oh, did I put the red? Yeah, I did. I put the magic a little spot of red. I love this red. I love the red, and I love. I hope this all works because I did not put any base coat on here, so that should be enough paint. And doesn't matter what colors I use, I end up with black on my hands every friggin' time. All right. I'm going to do it this way. And then turn it over. Let me get this. I might have to use my bigger one. Yeah, let me get my bigger one out. That's so any paint will be going somewhere else rather than on my station. Some will still go, but it won't be as messy. Alright, let me grab that one. These are great. I got them at Publix. They're buy one get one free, so you know I got a good deal. I always check. Oh, and Dollar Store. I got these at the Dollar Store. And let's see what happens. I'm going to slide it all around. I don't know if I'm going to like this or not. We shall see. Alrighty. I see cells already, so that's a good sign. And of course I got paint on me. I don't have my gloves on today. I didn't think I was going to need them. But before it starts setting up too much, I want to just slide some on the corner. Whoops, I'll do this corner since it's going that way. And this corner. I'm going to be sorry I didn't put my gloves on. Whoa. Let me get this other corner here. Come on, you can do it. Go, 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 go. Alright. This is not my favorite I've ever done. Well, we shall see. I see a clump right in the middle. For some reason, that glue just clumps the paint together rather than smoothing it out. So now let's see what's happening here. I know I use my dry towel. I should use my paper towels. Okay. Kind of looks neat, but I'm not thrilled with it. Nope, not thrilled at all. This is kind of weird looking. Let me do a little bit of get rid of bubbles. I don't want little bubbles, so I'll try to hold it up as high as I can. But I am getting a lot because little bubbles you will get when you have a combination of everything in here. right, let's see. Well, that's kind of putrid looking, isn't it? My sister just texted me, so let me see what she has to say. She want to know if we finished the dash. I told you I play Slotomania. Slotomania and I, we go way back since 2012. And one of the things to do today was finishing the dash. And if you did finish the dash, if everybody in the clan, we have a clan, everybody finishes the dash, then look at that. I'm going to drop that right off. We'll get $50 cash money in our bank so we could buy coins and stuff. They're not stupid in Slotomania. They know how to get you. That didn't matter. Oh, look at this clump. Wow. I'm not thrilled with this glue. As a matter of fact, I don't think I'll ever use it again. I don't see the advantage of it. Getting cells, well, whoopee, I get cells all the time with my Floetrol. Smash that one down. Trying to see if anything else. Well, I don't know what to do with this. I don't know that I'll keep it. I don't know if people like it. If you like it, I am going to add, oh, maybe I don't want to add more. I just want to, where's my red at? Well, the red didn't show up at all. Well, it's just not pretty. You see what I'm saying? It's just not pretty. Not my gig. So I will probably have to do something on the corners. I'll add some yellow only because I love Naples Yellow. I tried using one time a Lazy Susan, the kind you just turn around, Well, it doesn't work. Not when you have all this paint and stuff. Look, getting stuck here. Nope, I'm not liking this at all, people. But I'm going to leave it as is. Let that kind of drip down. Remember, I didn't put anything on the canvas. I did not use a base coat. That was another part of the test. I wanted to see exactly what would happen. Will it fill in and will it do its job? And so far, I think I saved a little money by not having to put that on. One good thing about having a foil pan, paint will stay in here and you can grab it and add it to wherever you need on the corner. I'll hold this up. I don't think it's going to move much with the glue. Oops, it's moving a little bit. I don't know. I'm not too thrilled. I'll leave it and we'll see what happens. Let me go wash my hands because they're a wreck at the moment. And my arm. Funny, and I'll tell you this right now, what's hysterical sometimes is the things I think are ugly, people go crazy over. So if anybody's interested, as soon as it's dry, I'll stick it up on my website, which is Pour Like Me. I'll show you on my coffee mug. pourlikeme.com. P-O-U-R. Okay, and my Etsy site is Janice, J-E-N-I-S-E 410. And last but not least, trying to think what else. I have some music on iTunes if you ever want to listen. Just type Janice, Jenise. On my Etsy is Janice 410, 410. Look at that, I got this stupid paint on me. I'm going to have to really wash my hands after. For those that watched my videos before, you know the 410 means I'm 4'10". Okay, I just want to get a little blob there. Now already I'm seeing why it was important. I'll see how much opens up to the base paint. The base canvas. See if I have to really worry about doing anything with the base. I had one canvas one time I got, and I did the same, just as usual, and before you know it, it's like blotches were just opening up all over the canvas, and it wasn't adhering to the canvas. So then what I started doing, I started wiping it down before I start, and I found that to be pretty good. But usually I like to use wet naps, or wet ones are called. And God darn it, I'm sticking some for some reason. Must be paint under here. Anyway, that's it. Thrilled, huh? If you like it, it'll be up eventually. I have to wait for it to dry before I go and post. Alrighty, guys. Have a great day. Bye. Oh, one last thing. If you like it, subscribe. And don't forget to hit the little bell for a reminder. Alright, have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.